What's going on, guys? Trez Fishing here, back with another video, and today, finally going bass fishing. Honestly, I don't know if we're going to catch anything, but it's not too bad out. It's pretty nice out. I think it's like 50 around there, like 45 degrees, which is like the warmest it's been. And it literally just snowed on Wednesday, and it's like already all melted. So that's good. It's going to be pretty warm tomorrow. Also, may go fishing then. Hopefully we catch some. We're going to be throwing jerk baits, spinner baits, little Nico rigs and stuff like that. Jigs. Just going to be kind of just pond hopping around, just seeing what's going on. So I'll see you guys out. We're here at the first spot. We're in Cottage Grove fishing a little pond. First spot. This guy ripping shitties back there. I'm going to start out with a jig, Nico rig, and a spinnerbait. I'm just going to bring 3 poles. I brought like all of mine. I'm just going to start out with these. Hopefully catch some fish. Kind of windy, sorry for that noise. I don't have a mic, I got to buy one. Or at least try to, because I don't know. This isn't an actual GoPro. So I don't know if the GoPro mic fits in this, so they're only like $10, so I may buy one so you guys can get some better audio, because it's kind of on the poopy side. Fishing near a shrub.
Using the mimic minnow today, boys.
Look at the mimic minnow, boys. He's using the chartreuse colored mimic minnow. Let's go in front of these.
Are these? No, the move is always the corner.
No. We'll start here, and then we'll make our way over there. Yeah, we gotta make our way around.
That chair's still there.
I'm gonna go over here and then throw like a spinner bait.
The grass is down right now. There was no fish there. You might as well fish that corner on that side. That's a big fish.
Yeah, I know. I've fished this spot multiple times and have caught big fish.
Last year. Than this. Me and Josh were here, man.
It's pretty good here.
I was using a Texas screw back then. Caught a 2.5.
Remember all those fish that I was catching on Senkos?
Yeah, we were just sitting here catching Senkos and
on that back corner.
Yeah, Ted Sands and some clown were using a frog.
Yeah. And I'm starting here. Start out throwing the spinner bait. Putting the spinner bait down already. Picking up a Nico rig. I'm gonna throw that around these trees. A little tiny, little Nico rig. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, shoot. Really? Oh, heck yeah, dude. Shrub's got one. As I just got my bait stuck in a tree. Dang it. Where'd you get that? On the...
Literally in the weeds. Right, boys. You don't need these fancy lures right there. $4 2-pack mimic minnows. All day.
Where'd you cast that? You casted it on shore? Well, that's a good one, I guess, to start out with. I'm gonna start throwing around this Nico rig. Something's gotta bite this Nico rig. I'm gonna tie on a little wacky worm. Oh my god. He's literally killing me. Jesus. He's already caught 2 and we've been here for like less than a minute. God. I'm getting absolutely killed. I'm gonna tie on a wacky worm. Dude, I'm getting busted. I literally have not caught a bass all year. The last 2 times I've gone out with Shrub, he's caught in a fish, and keep those in my pocket. Zip this bag back up. Don't know why, I just brought every single pole known to man. They right on shore? No, I'm going to the corner. It's super shallow. Why are they... Oh my god. Oh, dude. Oh, I just missed one. They're loaded on these shores, dude.
It's not, does it?
You can't do that with braid. Because, like...
It slips.
Yeah. Holy shit. You're probably gonna get one. Knew it. I freaking knew it. That was a... I got that.
You got that?
Yeah.
Chill, bro.
I know he was gonna catch one right there.
He's gone.
There he goes. Very mad.
Go to your home.
Second spot. Kind of wore out that other one. Going to another spot that's literally like down the road. We're gonna get all rigged up. I mean, we're throwing the mimic minnow, the OG Kush of fishing tackle. We're gonna fucking get her done.
Yeah, once I get those.
Dude, there honestly could be fish like right here.
There's one time came here by myself, and I caught like a 1 to 1.5 pounder, a bunch of tiny guys right over here. Huge windstorm, pushing everything over this way.
Oh, dude, I thought I just had one.
But these lakes, he's just banging for frog in.
Dude, I got one.
That's a dark guy.
Right off that wood pile. I didn't even know I had it. It's a super dink. Oh my god. Ah, fuck.
It's okay. It's
Hey,
okay.
hey,
It's
hey.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Do you guys see how this little dude munched it? He literally choked it. Yep, there we go.
Don't give him a saddle kind of relief.
Let's go,
Took
boys.
him from his home over there and put him in here.
Oh, my bad.
He's gonna get just destroyed by something.
I didn't even know I had one. I just saw my line take off. It was right next to those trees.
Dave got bit off on his frog one time. Like,
Dude, Shrub's got one. Shrub's got one. There is fish here. Ooh, that's a decent one.
right here, yeah.
Finally. Now I have some bass content. Dude, look at what it's been eating. It's got a gut and a half on it.
It's been chomping. Look at those fucking lips.
Wait a second. Let me,
It's been chomping on the ground.
here. That's a good thing. That's a good sign. They're definitely eating. Look at that gut. Poke it.
I don't. Boop. I'm a little guy. Here you go.
That's awesome, dude. We've been here for like 2 minutes. We've been here for a total of 4 minutes.
Yeah, so you get like a bunch of salmon or something.
Yeah, I know.
Nowhere to wipe it.
Oh, I just had something.
I missed him.
I wasn't even recording. I walked all this way and I thought I clicked it.
Hey guys, we're at the next spot. Wait, just kidding. Now we are.
Yeah, we're at the next spot. We're walking down. We let the spot cool down.
I love this spot. I love looking at fucking. I don't like the one where he goes, if it's brown, it's down. Let's go swing some fucking lead. That's just so dumb.
Dude, something just swirled over there.
Rob's in. You sure brought the whopper. Oh, with the $15 combo reel.
Oh, dude, I just had one swirl on it. Dude, I literally had like an okay one swirl on it. We're calling it, boys. Good day. Had a few misses. Took me long enough to put a mimic minnow on. Shrub, shout out to him. I'll leave like his Instagram or something like that in the description so you can go hit him up. I'm leaving it in there. You're gonna like it. So that's pretty much it. I mean, how many did you catch?
7, 8.
Yeah. I think I caught 3 or I think I caught 4. And then right at the end of it, I missed one. I don't know if the GoPro caught that. It was like boiling. I'll show you guys right here. Or I'll just zoom in on it during the video, but
Put a big circle around it.
yeah. But I don't know. The GoPro's like about to die. Oh, dang it. That was a bad cast. I literally just missed one. It came up and tried to eat it twice. Oh, I got my heart racing. It was literally right behind it. What's going on, guys? Had to put a new battery in. So a little recap. I have 2 fish so far. Oh my God. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Do you see? Here, let me set my rod down. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. That is a massive turtle. A giant snapping turtle. Holy crap. Dude, it's moving. Oh, I got one. It's a good one. Oh, this is a good fish. Barely hooked. Look at that. Freaking choked it. Barely hooked on the mimic minnow. I'm gonna run back and grab my freaking scale. Okay. Okay. I know this is a tiny fish, and I know it's in kilograms, but $50 kilograms. I'm gonna get this guy back in quick because it's pretty windy, and I don't want him to die. He's good. There he goes. What is 0.50 kilograms in pounds?
It's 1.1 pounds.
Yeah, so I just caught a 1-pounder. That's a good size one. I mean, it'd be nice if it just set it on there, but that's all I have to do. I mean, I can live with that, that's fine. So I'm just gonna keep this in my pocket, just in case if I catch any more. And I got extra mimic minnows in my pocket, so. Different colored ones, but it would still get the job done. Jeez, that's a nice one. Ooh. I mean, nice one for here. Look at how he ate that. Right in the roof of the mouth. Wow. There's 3 so far. There we go. Nice little guy. I don't know. My scale will turn out. See if I can get a weight on him. It's not even a big fish, so. Oh, there he goes. I'm here. There wasn't good vegetation at that other place. We only caught 2 fish. There was no good vegetation, as Flair would like to say. No good vegetation.